Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So I've received this set of 6 chrome powders from Varnail, and I already had the chrome top coat which I was using with other chromes, but I've decided to get myself some nice chromes that I could use. So this is set VM07 to 12, and then I've also bought 3 additional colours. So I'm going to just swatch them all for you really, just to show you what they're like. So this is 7, 8 and 9. So this one says it's a rose gold. So I've already gone ahead and put the Varnail coating on the nails. I'm just going to pull these caps off so I can go into them a little bit better. And then once I've swatched them and top coated them, I'll tell you the number and the colour again, just so you know for future reference if you wanted to purchase them. So I'm going to do this one first. So this one is a beautiful rose gold, this one, or rose pink, or chrome's so messy. You don't actually need as much as I'm using, to be fair. Set them other ones away. Right, and then the next one, so I'm putting them over a black background just so you can see the best. So this top coat normally gives a really smooth application. I have just quickly popped it on, so there may be a couple of gaps or missing parts, but I'm just wanting to show you how beautiful this chrome top coat. Well, it was for the chrome top coat, but I've never used these chrome, so it's the first time seeing them with you guys. Right, we'll give them a quick dust off. I mean, they're absolutely stunning. So that's the first 3 done there now. Obviously I haven't getting a, oh, that's fine, it's just a bit more dust. So that's those there. So that was the first 3, and then the next 3 are 10, 11 and 12. So like I say, I'm just going to quickly pop these tops off, swatch them, and then I'll tell you what they are at the end. I don't know why they put these silly little pot things, these caps on, because you can't get your applicator in there anyway. I suppose it keeps them sealed. Right, so these ones next. So this one's looking like a beautiful, beautiful blue. I think I have paid a little bit more than I normally would for chromes. Like I say, you don't need a lot with this product. I mean, I've got that much on me applicator. Sorry if you can hear that noise. I live on a near a main road where I live, a motorway, and the truckers like to blare the horns at each other. And then this one, wow, that silver is beautiful. All on that edge. They are stunning. Like I say, I've made sure that these were black tips that I've used. They were already black, so I really should have gave them a wipe over and a bit of a buff to get rid of any lint or lumps and bumps, but I haven't. So that's those ones there. Wow, they're stunning. Try and keep those all together. Now, so them ones there were part of a set, and these ones are ones that are purchased separately. Because there was an orange one that I just thought was absolutely beautiful. And I think one of them was like just a hollow, like you don't get half as much in that pot. I mean, these are quite full, some of these, but them ones there's only tiny bits of. The other ones are pretty much full. Right, so next one. I'll do this one first. So this is a hollow. Oh, wow. Look at the colour. Can you see the colours in there? I will hold them up to the lamp and show you properly. Look at that. It's like a rainbow on your nail. Beautiful. Now, this was the one that I was really looking forward to trying. Absolutely beautiful. Now, I don't buy a lot from Varnail, just because I'm cheap and cheerful. Temu, Shane. If you've watched my channel before, you know they're my hauls. But there's the odd thing that I do like the look of on Varnail. I am going to try one of their peelable base coats just so I can take my nails on and off quickly. I haven't tried it yet, but I do have some. Sorry. One thing I will say, I ordered some just normal nail glue for gluing my tips on through Varnail, and it came, and I think it was about £3 bottle, and I got 2, thinking it would be a bit better quality than elsewhere. But it's the exact same as what you get on Temu for £1, so I was a bit annoyed at myself for that. So that last one I've done, it shifts. It's like a chameleon one. You can't really, this one here. So in my light, it's like purple, and it shifts to reds and oranges, but you can't really, but it's amazing. I think it would look completely different on a white, and then the orange, and then this one, the holographic, just amazing. So I'll quickly top coat these, get these lids popped back on, and then we'll go through the names in case there's any that you're interested in. So these have all had a cure in the lamp. So you start off by using your chrome 2-in-1 top coat. You put that on your nails, cure it for 60 seconds, and then you go in with your chrome, and then I've used this to top coat as well. But you could just use a normal top coat, but I've just stuck to the same product. So these were the first ones. So you have this one here is rose gold, and that one is VM07. So that is a lovely rose gold. And then this middle one is light pink VM08. And this end one, which looks a little bit silver on the camera, but it is lilac VM09. So they're beautiful. I mean, they would have been flawless if I'd put the chrome top coat on properly up the first time. But yeah, I mean, because this normally you don't get any bumps or lumps. It just depends if you had anything on the nail, which obviously I did. So those are the first 3. So that was 3 of the 6 set. And then this one is Mist Blue, which is VM10. So that's this one here, a beautiful blue. Then we have Spring Green, which is VM11, which is a greeny gold. And then we have VM12, which says it's a cream. So it's like more of a creamy gold. So that one would probably go nice over a lighter shade. I've just used dark black tips. Now these 3 weren't part of the set. So the first one is Hollow Pink Glow, which it has. It's absolutely stunning. And then this one was Burnt Orange, which is the middle one. And then the end one is Lavender Sky. And I mean, that just creates a beautiful colour shifting chameleon. So the ones that I've bought separate to the set, I think they skimped a little bit on the jars of these 2. They obviously give a different effect over a different colour, and I don't know, they've skimped on the jars a bit. But the set that I bought, there was quite a lot of chrome in. Some sets you buy, they don't have very much, and like I said, you need very, very little of this to cover your nail. So I just wanted to show you those. I have bought them, it's not something that I've been given. So yeah, I just wanted to use them with you to show you what I think of them. I think they're all stunning. I'm gonna have trouble deciding. Especially love this Lavender Sky one over. I'll have to try it over different coloured nails. So there they are there if you want to know any of them. So this was a 6-part piece set, sorry, and this was just 3 that I bought separately. But yeah, just wanted to show you. So please remember to like and subscribe. If there's any that you like, these are the numbers here, or the I can let you know how much the set was in there, or you can look it up on Varnail. The set of 6 were, as opposed to buying these ones separate. But yeah, I think my chrome collection's complete with these ones. Really happy with them. Love the colours. I just hope they're showing up nicely on the camera for you there. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.